Looking for the best massage table to enhance your relaxation or professional practice? Here are the top massage tables of Earthlite, offering the perfect blend of comfort, durability, and functionality. Find the perfect one for your needs today. A budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. This table is lightweight at easy to use and features high-density foam for comfort. It's easy to transport and set up, making it perfect for home use or beginner therapists. This table combines a resistant steel frame with pneumatic gas lift systems for easy adjustments of height, backrest, and leg rest. It's highly adjustable and portable, thanks to its wheel casters, making it ideal for a variety of massage techniques and treatments. Perfect for those who need an electric lift system, this table is sturdy and quiet, with a heavy-duty motor and hands-free adjustments. The height can be adjusted from 12 to 16, making it versatile for different treatments and comfortable for both the client and therapists. This table is designed with some multilayer small cell foam and has a unique ergonomic face cradle, providing exceptional comfort. It also features adjustable legs and a smart armrest system, making it a great choice for both professionals and home use. Known for its solid maple frame and triple-density cushioning, this table offers ultimate comfort and stability. It's lightweight at 16 ubs and supports up to 5 ubs, making it ideal for professional use. Its eco-friendly materials and high-quality construction ensure durability and a luxurious feel.